Doyle, where are they from?
My grill, man.
Where are they from, Doyle?
Japan.
What? Don't record.
You get the whistle as well.
Hey everyone, just showing you guys a comparison video between a factory Ganador plate and then the new ones that Stan's made for us Ganador people. So here you can see the back side of the plate, or the front side, sorry, that you put your glass on. It's a nice flat surface, so if you just want to use double-sided tape or silicone or whatever really, whatever you prefer to put this on, sticks nice and flat. And this is the back side. It's got the ball socket piece here. These are good and they will hold, but if you're a bit of an idiot and you push too hard it will break, so just keep that in mind. And this is with the stalks in, and then obviously this is just one that doesn't have stalks. Stan's going to put some finished stalks in for the old plate just to show you how it's done, and then yeah, you guys will pretty much same process with this, and then we'll put this in the mirror and show it working. So cool. Here's the old plate, stalks.
So basically if you've got an old plate and your stalks are reamed, you can just chop them off, pull the glass off, they're just held on with double-sided tape here, and then you get your stalks. Basically they are pretty tight fit, but you push them in. If you're careful, you push on the back and pull. You can get them in like that.
Pops
so they're
into place.
Nice and seated. This tab's here just so you've got something to grab on. Just grab a sharp knife and cut it flush-ish. Doesn't have to be perfect because it'll be covered by the glass. Then do the same with the other one.
Nice and simple.
Nice and easy, and they do hold in pretty well, but I would recommend putting a little bit of silicone or hot glue there just in case, you know, it never hurts.
Well, you've got the glass off, it's better just to be safe than sorry rather than having to pull it all apart again, eh?
Yeah. Cool. So you got that, and then you're basically good to go. Just got to glue that back.
So we're just going to show you guys now the OEM plate with the new stalks versus the new plate with the new stalks. So Stans will just chuck one in nice and gently, the first one, and then we'll move it around using the power on this Ganador we have here.
Yep. So same as when you pulled it out, just got to line the little screws up, and then you just get it sitting in there, and if you got it in the car you just use a little window switch, but for us it's not in the car, so we've got to figure out this. There we go. You see that one's starting to wind in. Wind it in a bit. Oh, that one's gone the wrong way. Cool. Wind that one in a bit. Then you can push the ball into its socket like that. Then from there you're basically just adjusting it till you've got it where you want. Obviously you'd do this once you've got the glass in, but haven't installed that.
Yeah, so that's real nice and easy. It pretty much shows you guys how to take them out too. So if you think that you have a suspect one that is broken, same theory, you want to try and wind these all the way out as much as possible before you pull on the glass, otherwise you'll break both and they may get stuck in the motor. I've never had this fault, but you know, that could potentially happen. So better to move your mirror out as far as you can, then get behind there and just gently pull on it till you can feel it start to move out, and then pop the ball joint off. So that's the factory one. So we'll just cut this now and move this mirror out, and then put the new one in and show you the exact same thing. So same again, here's our new plate, so the full new plate with the full new stalks. Let's just show them quickly. Walk this way. So right hand side, so Stan will chuck that in for us.
Yep. So these will come pre-assembled. They'll be glued in all nicely, so those shouldn't come out. Like Alex said before, these are good for the fit, but they are 3D printed, so they will snap if you push on them in the wrong direction. So just be mindful of that. And the installation process is identical to before. Basically, you just get it sitting in there. Start winding some of the screws in. Then nice and clipped in. Cool, and good to go.
Just like that, you've repaired your once was $1 Ganador to probably $750 per side at the going rate today. So yeah, hope you guys have learnt how to do it properly off these videos, and hope you guys are excited. These will be coming out very soon, if not right now. So yeah, just give me a DM and we'll get it sorted.